Oh, here I am, guys. Alec, Peirce at the ranch again. I'm not in a real good mood right now. Diana decided to start a fire. Now, I can't blame her. It is March the 28th. It's not cold. It's 35 degrees here. Most of the snow is gone. A little bit of snow behind me there. Most of it's gone, but it's not bad. I don't mind working outside in this weather. It's not too hot. But she's chilly inside. It's a bit moist. And so she started the fire. Wants to start a fire anyway. That's fine. Let her go ahead. Start a fire. No, she said, I need some kindling. Guess who gets the kindling? Yeah. So this is part of our firewood series. We've shown you a whole lot of things. And now kindling. Now it used to be that she'd ask for some kindling. And we have a lot of kindling. We've solved some of those problems. I have a lot of pallets. I save old pallets and cut them up. And then to get the fire started, if it's from scratch, I actually pick up some seconds of cedar shingles. You can get them. They're called, they use them for doors and so on, for spacers, for shims, yes, cedar shims in a little bundle, and I chop them, but they're expensive, and so I usually try to make some kindling out of the firewood. If you have a small piece of wood like this, you just split it. Not a big problem. You get yourself a nice little axe and a splitter, and of course, you have to have something to, I don't want to split this on the stone because you'll ruin the axe. You've got to get a log out. Then you got to be careful because I don't have my heart. You know, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. And so I was cruising around on the internet the other day, and I came across a pretty neat little toy. Let's get rid of the axe. Don't need that anymore. Check this out. This is called the Kindling Cracker. Kindling Cracker. In fact, that's the name of the company. KindlingCracker.com. Now, it came from New Zealand. I don't have a lot of friends in New Zealand. Three people from New Zealand I met, and the ones that I had met from New Zealand were pretty nice people. It seems they drink a lot and maybe a little bit weird, but they're nice. What do you need kindling in New Zealand? But New Zealand actually does have weather like Canada, so I guess you need kindling. So what is it? I looked at this first of all and said, I'm going to build one, but it's so cheap. I figured, what the heck, and I bought it, and it is fantastic. It's so easy, and basically what it is, it's an iron ring on top here to keep the piece of wood you're going to split from flopping around, and then in the middle, you can see it right here, Kevin, you can see this sharp edge. I'm going to turn it a bit. See that sharp edge right there? And it's got a wedge on each side, and a base. That's really it. I was going to make one, I figured some re-rod and so on, but it's so cheap to buy. Then I got a log, and I lagged this down on the log so it's nice and solid and steady. So how does it work? You know, when you buy this, they even give you a hammer. I guess a lot of people don't have a little sledge like this. I can't believe the people that use heat by wood don't have a little hammer. Okay, let's watch. Here's a little piece of wood that I was going to take and use the axe on. You put it on there like that, and you hit it a couple times like so, and there's a piece of kindling. Now, you can't get much better kindling than that. And then you take that back up, and you want a bit more, so you put that back on. Perfectly safe. You're not going to break, you're not going to cut your toes. You don't have to worry about the stones or the cement. Another nice piece of, if that's too big, put it back on. Hit it again. Look at that. This is not really dry wood. The kindling cracker. Okay, dear. Kindling's all set. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, good. I love it. I haven't told Diana about it yet. She thinks I'm out here swinging an axe. She's always telling me to be careful. Yeah. Anyway, I spotted this. It's solved one of my problems, made life a bit easier, and it's pretty neat too. Maybe it'll be helpful to you. The kindling cracker. I have some more ideas. I'll be talking to you soon. Alec, Peirce at the ranch.